In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Steam replay. If you've ever wondered how much you played this year, which games took most of your time, or what genres you gravitated toward, Steam Replay pulls it all together into a clean, personal recap. It's quick to access, and I'll walk you through two simple ways to get there, starting inside the Steam app and then showing you the direct web link in any browser. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully so your profile and storefront are up to date. Once you are in, move your mouse to the top of the window and hover over your account name. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for Steam Replay. Depending on your layout, you may see it right in the navigation, or you might find it under your profile activity. Steam sometimes groups it alongside other profile-related items, so take a quick look there as well when you see Steam Replay. Click it, that's all it takes. Your personalized recap will load, highlighting your top games. Total hours played, notable milestones, and other fun stats from your year on Steam. Take a moment to scroll through and enjoy the breakdown. If it seems slow to load, a brief refresh or waiting a few seconds usually helps. If you don't immediately see the replay option in the drop-down, make sure your Steam client is current and that your profile has recent activity. Sometimes the feature appears more prominently as the year wraps up. Now, if you'd rather go straight to it without using the app, or you are on a device where Steam isn't installed, you can access it directly from a web browser. Open any browser you like and go to store.steampowered.com/replay. That address takes you right to the replay page. If you are not already signed in on the web, you may be prompted to log in before your recap appears. Once you are in, you'll see the same summary you would inside the app, complete with your playtime highlights and top titles. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.